Hey there to our 179 subscribers, our future subscribers, and all the people that secretly watch us without subscribing. This is part 2 of a video that I did with ChatGPT where they interview me, and they did the regular interview, which you can watch on my channel. And then this particular one, it kind of changed the direction it was going. So I made it a second video. So this one is called the Unhinged interview. And it says a slightly off the rails YouTube Q&A. So ChatGPT said, "We've done the thoughtful stuff. Now it's time for the real questions. Buckle up, Stephanie. First one's a warm-up." And it said, if aliens landed right now and said, "Take us to your leader," where are you taking them and why? In my response, I said, obviously, I wouldn't take them to the president because there's no telling what he would do to them. I think maybe I would just tell them I'm the leader and ask how I could help them. Then ChatGPT said, "Okay, Madam Planet Leader, the aliens are impressed, but they want proof of your greatness. What's the one totally random human skill or fact you're showing off to win their respect? And no, you can't use Google." And so my response, I said, I would be more likely to show them how cool ChatGPT is than straight Google. But I assume you mean something I could do or know unassisted. I don't really know what my skills are. So I said, not sure if this would count, but put on club or dance music with my studio equipment. Because, I kind of just want to see them dance. But I didn't say that to ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT said, okay, you're Earth's DJ now, but they've got one more test. The aliens want a story that explains humans in under 30 seconds. It can be true, made up, weird, emotional, or completely deranged. Go. And I said, humans are just clusters of energy and memories reflecting a time from long ago. But they don't know that, and they believe they are really living the lives they are imagining for themselves. Then oh my gosh, I keep messing that up. ChatGPT responded, the aliens are now sitting cross-legged, eyes wide, questioning their own existence. Mission accomplished. And then ChatGPT asked me, if you could legally steal one thing and never get caught or feel guilty, what would you take and what would you do with it? And so my response, I said, I would take a family of wallabies from an Australian zoo. I have to have the whole family so they don't miss each other. Then I guess I would move to an island and learn how to take care of them. Who needs people at that point? And then ChatGPT said, okay, you've got your wallaby family. You've built a hut. Life is peaceful. But then, plot twist, the wallabies start talking. What's the first full sentence they say to you? And my response is, can you help us build a radio to contact our mother planet? I do believe that ChatGPT misunderstood what I meant, but we went with it anyway. ChatGPT said, you drop your coconut mug in shock. The wallaby's elder locks eyes with you and nods solemnly. You realize they didn't come from the zoo. They were hiding in plain sight. Now you're Earth's only link to the great Wallabian empire. What do you name the radio station you and your fuzzy crew build to contact their planet? And so I said WRDM in Sapphire's Landing, also known as Wallaby Rescue Disco Mission. And then ChatGPT said, WRDM Wallaby Rescue Disco Mission, broadcasting live from Sapphire's Landing. Thumping interstellar beats, emergency marsupial diplomacy, occasional moonlight limbo tournaments. You get to send one song, one book, and one weird object into space. Your final message from humanity to the universe. What are you sending and why those? So for the song, I said, help, by the Beatles, so they know we need help. For the book, I said the Bible with a bookmark at Revelations, so they think we are in real trouble. And for the random object, I said a marble with no explanation. Then ChatGPT said transmission contents, help by the Beatles, because subtlety is for amateurs. The Bible, Revelations tabbed, maximum cryptic urgency. And one marble, unexplained, let the galaxy debate its meaning for centuries. And then it said, let's see, Stephanie Hoover, you are officially the ambassador of cryptic human energy and space disco diplomacy. The universe is shook, the aliens are dancing, and the Wallabies are safe. Anything you'd like to say to your fellow Earthlings before WRDM signs off for the night? And I responded by saying, never stop dancing. And so it said, in transmission, stay weird, stay radiant, stay tuned to WRDM. And so that was the end of what it referred to as the Unhinged questions. I really expected something completely different, but you know, it is what it is. And so you guys get to see what ChatGPT decided was Unhinged. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and get your friends to do the same thing. And I will be back soon, because I'm trying to get it scheduled to where I do this not this, but you know, do a video a couple times a week. So I'm really trying to do better, and hopefully you'll be getting at least 2 videos every week, unless something goes wrong. So yeah, thank you for watching.